Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious white sauce pasta at home without cheese. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of your favorite pasta, 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Don't forget your seasonings like salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder to enhance the flavor. This recipe is straightforward and perfect for a quick, satisfying meal. Now let's create the foundation of our sauce, the roux. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir continuously for about 1 to 2 minutes. This step is crucial as it cooks out the raw flour taste and helps thicken our sauce beautifully. The mixture should turn a light golden color, indicating it's ready for the next stage. With our roux prepared, it's time to transform it into a luscious white sauce. Slowly pour in 2 cups of cold milk, whisking vigorously to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking over medium heat until the sauce begins to thicken to your preferred creamy consistency. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, season your sauce with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper for a balanced flavor. Our final step is to bring everything together for a delightful meal. Cook about 200 grams of your chosen pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta well and immediately add it to your warm white sauce. Gently toss the pasta with the sauce, ensuring every strand is beautifully coated. Serve your homemade white sauce pasta hot and enjoy this comforting, cheesy-free dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.